It is a species native to the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau, and also one of its earliest inhabitants. According to paleontological records, the plateau pika has survived on this land for 37 million years. There are 30 pika species in the world, the plateau pika being one of them. Is mainly distributed on the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau and adjacent areas like Nepal and Sikkim. In late autumn and early winter, the warm sunlight leaves the plateau. Animals that inhabit this land are busy preparing for winter. Plateau pikas, however, still enjoy the pasture, because they are actually a non-hibernating herbivore. The Qinghai-Tibet Plateau is the birthplace of many rivers in China. The rivers flow across the region, forming lakes, swamps and tablelands. At over 3,100 meters above sea level, these alpine meadows and grasslands are the pika's favorite habitats. November arrives. Snow falls on the plateau. Pikas must hurry up before the land is covered with snow. They have to eat. The pika has a round body with no tail. It weighs nearly 180 grams. Compared to their size, they are truly big eaters. They consume food that equals half their body weight every day. They spend most of the day eating. Before winter sets in, they need to find enough plants for their wintering storage. In the afternoon, after all the hustle and bustle, the pikas need a break. They prefer sunny, open spaces to enjoy sunbathing. Sometimes they like to wander around the burrow. Because of their small size, many carnivores on the plateau hunt them for food. Those birds of prey would never let them go free to escape from the predators. They seldom go far from the safety of their burrows. The pika has a loyal ally, the rufous-necked snowfinch. The snowfinch hides in the pika's burrow from the blazing sun, storms and hail. The pika is alerted by the calls of the bird when danger is close. Ancient Chinese books have recorded that birds and rodents could share the same cave. Throughout the natural evolution and competitions, the pika has survived. These little elves in the snow have been witnessing and maintaining the ecological balance of the plateau.